Waterfall.
So many people.
So many people here.
There's some shade there if you want to grab shade. Don't they look like gravestones?
Living in a wedge-shaped tower may be great for food storage, but if the tower is orientated to catch the sun's heat, it can become a solar cooker. So it's on its edge when temperature is at its highest. It will always be in the shade. This ensures that it will have a place in the mound that is just okay. So it's all about the shade, not about the sun.
And the queen is at the base.
It's about having the shade. Old man.
Old woman.
Floating away, husband. Oh no, I'm floating.
Help! Help!
Oh, hang on. Look. There's one way to lose a tummy. I think I just scraped it off. Falls all year.
Right.
She's off. No EpiPen. She's gone. What goes down has got to come back up. And that looks like a lot of stairs in wet thongs. Yep, I'm over it. Yeah, there's some seats at certain spots for the old people.
There's a lot of people here. Oh, there. Oh, he's a beauty.
I presume he's alive.
Yeah, he's alive, all right.
How do you know?
You want to touch him?
Nope.
He's pretty.
Put my hand behind the camera.
Yeah.
You got some contrast.
That's it.
Lots of little creeks. Get that camera out of my face.
See, that's a nice little plunge pool there. Julia was commenting on the fact when we walked out on that beach to find the sea, and you mentioned no one's going to want to watch us 45 minutes walking out to the sea, and Julia goes, I do. She said it was brilliant.
Yeah, but that's showing the whole of the national park, not just our walk.
Oh.
Our little walk is just there.
Oh, okay.
This is the walk. This is the walk out to Wangi and.
Alrighty. Crossing the river again. So any time you'll fancy the dip. Hello, what's that? Interesting. Great colours that. Sounds like it's about to take off. It's getting higher in pitch. Savanna Woodland. Oh, that tells us where we are. Nobody here.
Do you want to swim?
Do you want to swim?
Very elegant.
Not.
Terrific.
Traffic.
Terrific.
That is amazing. That's like Africa. Wow. Definitely worth coming to see. Got your camera?
Yep.
Wow. Oof. I look like a beekeeper. Oh dear.
There goes my crazy owl.
Because you're crazy owl?
Yeah.
I'm not an owl.
I'm getting bitten alive.
Alright.
Crazy. Get that on video. Don't drop it, whatever you do, because that's the end of it.
Okay, I think we're doing this now. Bye bye. Not one single hive, no tingling of the tongue, no needles in the head. I'm healed.
I've got all the ailments. Slightly sore back, cramp in my leg, tingling in my right hand. Oh no, I'm dying.
Glory to God. Being excited. Hey, Rusty boy. Go on, do your dance. Do your dance. Come on, do your dance. Uncle Carl.
What?
What's taking you so long? We have a very excited dog here.
Oh. You are so excited, aren't you? You are so excited.
There we go.
Hey. Hey. Are you excited?
Right.
You're a funny boy, aren't you? You're a funny wife, aren't you? Doggy bum,
Okay.
wifey bum,
No.
wifey, doggy, wifey, wifey walking doggy, bum, 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 wibble, wibble, bum, you've got a wibbly bum. Hey Rusty, Rusty, come on. Hello boy, hello. Let's have a look at your little mohawk.
This is how you do it. Like that.
Yeah, look at that, it's so cool.
Get it with his face.
Yeah, look, you got a little mohawk. This is fun. Until it isn't. Oh, it's right in my face.
Or maybe it's a water crossing.
Water crossing, I'd say. Looks like it's a pretty long water crossing.
Yeah, it does say it is.
That's a long one.
What do you want to do? Do you want to head down?
I don't know. Might go and have a look first. You guys going first?
Back's not good today. 4-drive track's not good for bad backs. Oh, we're having a look at this water crossing. We should be able to do it. Easy.
That's a mighty cruiser. Can't hold them back. I think the guys in the patrol are not coming through.
They're not, yeah, I don't think they'll take them. Yeah, no, I was fairly solid through it.
Yeah, I just came through second high.
Yeah.
Was that fun, babe?
Yeah. First water crossing, well, it's the first decent deep water crossing we've done for a while.
Since the Cape. Although that was slightly deeper towards the end, but through the Cape you were hammering it, weren't you?
Yeah, well, the thing is, some of them were deeper than they looked, so, and they were short, so you just kind of went for it. Well, I'd say that keeps a fair number of the cars out.
Yeah. Protecting my back. So do you remember doing that crossing with Ken and Julia?
No, I don't. We must have.
Oh, must have done it. Maybe it wasn't high.
Yeah, I suppose it depends on how late in the season it was. I've got a feeling there might still be
more river crossings there are.
Yeah, but only little river crossings, not like creek crossings.
Yeah.
Not so. Do I remember these sort of?
Yeah, I do as well. Yeah.
They may have had just a trickle running through it at some stage. I've been forward, right? So I purposely didn't go too quick. Don't want to go too slow either.
No. Well, they're pretty good curries. Very pretty.
Yeah, I thought this might take a bit of time though.
Yeah.
Which is the reason why I wasn't going to go all the way down to the Surprise Creek.
No, I'm happy not going down Surprise Creek. The red road and the green foliage.
The red waggly road. Yeah, window reflections can be quite annoying, can't they? Like the green fly swat.
I don't have fly swat.
Chris Keys mentioned it. He went, oh yeah, fly swat everywhere.
Well, it's a handy place to have it because you can just grab it.
We definitely camped at this one with Ken and Julia.
Okay.
Just taking it easy.
Easy squeezy. Did you want to look at this map or not bother? Might give us an idea of the falls or anything.
Hope you're not getting all the shade.
You park there, Carl. Shade there.
Sure am.
Right, that's it. Anything witty to say, Carl?
We've arrived!
It's not witty.
Oh, is it not witty? Okay. We made it!
Husband?
Hey? So we've definitely been here before. We camped here. And when we got here, there was kids jumping off up here or over around here somewhere and jumping into the pond.
Pond.
So we definitely have done this one before. It was a fairly decent walk from memory.
Okie dokie.
It was a nice walk because it followed the creek, didn't it?
This is going to be fun.
Pretty sure it followed the creek.
I'm unsure on my foot.
What? It's not too long.
Okay.
Give me the camera then. It's a solid ass. Come on then, wobbly wife. You are joking.
No. It's a height thing.
Don't look down.
I can look where I'm walking.
This is hilarious.
Oh yeah, look.
Just put one foot in front of the other, like walk normally.
Okay. What?
You are making a right funny racket. Yeah, trail. It follows this creek down on our right.
Rail to hold on to.
Very elegant. Videoing for now. Too bad if you're only doing it one way, but what goes down has got to come back.
Yeah, I agree. No, it's probably not worth it. My back doesn't enjoy it.
No.
Back enjoys the walking though.
And the swimming.
And the swimming. We never wear our sunnies, do we?
I want to be able to see what I'm doing. I don't want it to be too dark. No snakies on the track yet.
Nope. Jungle. It's certainly cool here. Whew. The change of the terrain. A bit different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, bet you that stand up.
Yep.
Nice squeaky.
Yep.
Is that your shoe?
Yep. Yep.
Can you say yeah anymore?
Yep.
Let's get a video of the water then.
Yep.
Oh, that looks good.
Yep.
That's beautiful. Crystal clear. No swimming here.
Well, I reckon you could swim, but I don't think you're supposed to.
Ooh. River crossing. Ha.
Stone crossing.
Well, I might put my shoes on.
Oh, you're joking. Can't you just walk across the stones?
Well, let's see you do it. You might fall in. Looks slippery to me.
Nope.
You know, I'm unsure on my feet. Is that slippery?
Nope. This will be fun.
Especially if I fall in. Right. Like. I'll tell you what. Feet are nice and cool. One annoying fly in my face. Always just one. Mind you, rather one than 20. Biters. Got those March flies that bite your hands here. So just be aware. Oh, designated swimming area. We must be here. We have arrived. Are you feeling faint? I don't think you drank much water today. And you've not drunk any water? You won't drink water. Doesn't listen to wifey.
It's nice and warm.
It's very warm. Can you touch the bottom?
No way.
I might go and swim over there.
It's a long way.
It's still longer than the other one. You didn't take your hydrate this morning, did you?
No.
You're not very wise, are you?
No.
Do you want me to hang around here while I'm still in the water?
No.
Maybe because they've got get a shady area and put stuff in a shady area.
No, it's in the shady area.
Carl, no. 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 No, I don't want to be rescuing you. Please don't. Carl, please. Please don't. Why are you doing this to me?
So I can...
You can't. You already had a bit of cramp. You've had severe cramp. You haven't hydrated. Go back. Go and find a shady spot.
I need water. Water, water.
I'll put my hat in there.
Water, water.
Beer? Who's got beer?
You've got beer.
The Blythe Homestead, established 1928. And that's a 2005 Land Cruiser. And there is a 1964 April Fools wifey shoving food in her face. Oh, sorry, back to the house. Don't fancy that bed much. Bullet holes everywhere. Don't think that roof is going to keep much rain out. Cassava and mangoes. Sounds like a staple. "25 metres to Creek Tin Mine."
Not going up there. Too much of a scramble. And I ain't got my proper shoes on.
Okay, so observation this morning was that the fridge battery yesterday in the back of the car didn't charge up, even though we'd driven 2 hours up to Darwin and back. So looking at the charging, I've put the 240 volt charger onto it. It's fully charged now. And I've also put the solar panels out on the lawn and plugged into the DC to DC charging, and that's working. So it's the alternator input that's not working. So I have found the culprit. And the culprit is I know these blade fuses are crappy, but yeah, it's not supposed to look like that. And whatever caused it also did the same thing with the 80 amp fuse on the way in. This is the one, because it's fused at both ends of the car. Okay, so it's fused down by the solenoid, which obviously is the input into the solenoid, which is on the ignition, and then it's fused here at 40 amps to the charger. So one has taken out the other, I expect, but anyway, they've both gone. But the problem is I don't have another 40 amp blade, so I am just determining if that is the live in from the solenoid, which I think it is, and that's the output to the BCDC. And then it's fused on the output of the BCDC into the battery. So there's fuses all over, but they're all, that one's okay. This one it was buried, so I've just unburied it, and that's obviously completely knackered too. And that one was actually working, but is completely semi-melted, so that's not good. So the blade holder is okay, but the fuse is completely overheated, probably when that one went out. So I don't have another 40 amp blade fuse. I've got lots of fuses, but not a blade holder. So what I'm going to do is bypass it and then pick one up with me in Catherine at Auto One, or one of the auto electricians in there. We'll be rolling in there tomorrow on Friday. Well, it'll have to be Friday now, unless we go back up. Oh.
It's because it's noisy. I need.
Yeah, but you're poking it right in my face.
Okay. You finished?
So I'll either go back to Darwin.
And we're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, Friday, which is a bit of a bummer because most places are shut on Saturday, and certainly in Catherine it's a bit of a hopeless on Saturday, which means we've either got to fang it down to Catherine tomorrow on the hope we can pick up a holder, or what I'm going to do temporarily is take out an unused circuit breaker, 50 amp circuit breaker that's under the bonnet, which I disconnected, and use that here, and then at least I'll be able to see what's going on and be able to turn it on and turn it off.
Okay.
But if we haven't got any alternator charging, it's not the end of the world for a day or two, because we can solar charge, but I've got to fix it. So out comes the tools again.
Alright, I'm going to go back to cooking.
Yeah, I've got to get a 10mm socket. What are you doing?
I'm doing Pilates, but I left my Pilates balls on the top of the car, which car won't get out for me. I've got bad back, so I am using onions. Seriously.
I wonder what the smell was.
Gina, you'll be proud of me, but I did put my balls up on top of the car and I can't get to them.
So, do you need any assistance?
I'm in pain. No.
Do you want any extra rubby? Smells of onion in here.
And it just, it works out. And this is what you do. You go do that way.
Oh yeah.
See, that one's fine. This side is so tight. Oh.
Yeah.
There you go, Gina. I'll send you a link. If you're in the bush or somewhere and you haven't got your Pilates balls, you can use onions. They're really good.
Onions.
Okay. I'm in enough pain.
And then we can eat them later.
No, they're going to be bruised.
Bruised? Bruised onions? I'd rather have mangoes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, it's definitely up.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think.
it's definitely up.
Yeah, we need to move.
Look, it's actually breaking down now, look. No, the stick's gone. The stick's down there. It snapped off. No, it's definitely upward.
We've been here for 3 nights. Yesterday was over 45 degrees. Are you looking all hot and sweaty?
If you are enjoying our videos, please click like, subscribe and click the bell for notifications.